Example 3, translate the figure 2 units to the right and 1 unit down. So again, I'm going to take this object, choose a point, start with this one on the far right. We're going to count 2 units to the right, so it's 1, 2, and 1 unit down, make a new point. Again, if you want to label them, you may. And then we have this one, count 2 units to the right and 1 down. Here, 2 units to the right and 1 down. And then 2 units to the right and 1 unit down. And then we just need to connect our new points here. Make sure you connect them to where they need to be. And so here is your figure, your image, after you've translated it.